loves to gorge on junk foods, especially children who don't have the willpower to resist the temptation. A study revealed that children who watch junk food advertisements increase their risk of unhealthy food choices, which they make within less 30 minutes after exposure to advertisement. So, what is junk food? The word junk refers to something that is rubbish and waste. And true enough, junk foods are devoid of nutrients and unhealthy, which could have serious health consequences, irrespective of whether you have them once in a while or probably every day. Regular consumption of fast foods such as burger, pizza, sandwich and pastries, which usually contain harmful ingredients like sugar, palm oil, high fructose, white flour, artificial sweeteners, trans fat, and monosodium glutamate, that is MSG, to name a few, increases the risk of obesity, heart disease, cancer, and so on. Consuming junk food could deteriorate your memory. Higher intake of high fat and high sugar foods can slow down the speed of learning, memory, and attention. Excessive consumption of foods high in fat and sugar changes the parts of the brain that are responsible for learning, memory, and reward. Secondly, excess consumption of processed and fried foods can mix signals to the brain, which make it difficult to process how much hungry you are and how much satisfied. Eating junk food will deprive your body of essential nutrients and kill your appetite by keeping your stomach full for a long period of time. This lowers your consumption of healthy food. Thirdly, increases cancer risk for those who consuming junk food. A study published in the Asian Pacific Journal of Cancer Prevention showed an association between junk food consumption and colon cancer risk. The result of the study found that eating junk food like falafel, potato chips, and corn chips were linked to an increased risk of colon cancer. The study also says that eating 1 to 2 or more than 5 servings of fried potatoes per week, or intake of 2 to 3 servings of chicken sandwiches per week also increases colon cancer risk. This statistic shows the result of a survey conducted by SINT on the average number of times junk food from quick service restaurants was consumed per week in Malaysia between 2016 and 2018. 47.08% of respondents in Malaysia stated they eat junk food less than once per week.
Okay, hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Aisyah binti Mak Sabri and I am from DPSU 2A. Alright, today I want to tell about the fast food. Okay, so let's. Is there such a thing as healthy fast food? The truth is that it's extremely difficult to follow a healthy diet when you are eating. Fast food is typically loaded with calories, sodium, and unhealthy fat, often enough in one meal for an entire day. It also tends to be low in nutrients and almost totally lacking in fruit, vegetables, and fiber. That doesn't mean you have to avoid fast food entirely. When you are hungry and on the run, fast food can really hit the spot. It's cheap, tasty, and best of all, convenient. But while it's okay to indulge a craving every now and then to stay healthy, you can't make it a regular habit. The key is moderation, both in how often you frequent fast food, change and how older once you are there. Alright, this is a list of the advantage of fast food. First, fast food gives you the option to eat something instead of skipping a meal. Second, eating fast food items help you to manage a schedule more effectively. Third, fast food products make it easier to reduce hunger problems in the community. Okay, next list of disadvantage of fast food. Alright, first, fast food can have an adverse impact on the cardiovascular and digestive systems. Second, you will eat more calories when consuming fast food frequently. Third, people who eat at fast food restaurants underestimate their calorie intake. So last and but not least, I want to tell about the verdict of advantage and disadvantage of fast food. Alright, there are times when a fast food meal is your best option. If you have a busy schedule and no time to make something, then grab and go item can provide a cure to your hunger without causing your budget to take significant hit. As more restaurants add healthier, low-sodium choice that do impact your health as adversely as traditional items do, and this choice isn't as problematic as it could be. So, stay healthy.